This video is sponsored by Tillyard. Tesla is a powerful vehicle that specializes in giving a lot of its power to the driver, allowing the passengers to bend to their will. Hey, why is my butt so hot? The sponsor of this video decided to give a little bit more power to the passenger by providing rear climate control to your Model Y and Model 3. This will not only allow the passenger to keep their butts cool or warm, but it also allows them to control the climate, the volume, even the depth and incline of the front passenger seat. In your kit, you're going to find both the screen and its cables. That's it. Installation is pretty easy. Let me show you how it's done. Remove the top bracket by hand. Don't worry, there's no screws here, so just apply even pressure and pull. Unplug the device again by hand to completely disconnect the bracket. Remove the screws from the air vent to unsecure it. Undo the clips with a flathead screwdriver to pry the vent. Remove the circuit board that powers the USB ports. With all that, we're going to put in the new device pretty much in the reverse order. We will start by using the screws from the original device to attach the USB circuit board to the new bracket. The next thing we're going to do is circumcise the vent by cutting off the middle bracket. That sounded pretty harsh. Anyway, it will have no effect on the functionality of the device. Place the air vent and secure it with the two screws from before. Grab the old bracket and remove the gold clips from it. You can use a flathead to remove the two clips. From there, just attach it to the latest bracket. At the base of the armrest, remove the bottom bracket with your hands. Grab the screwdriver and remove two screws. This will allow you to move the center bracket to route the cables. Next, we are going to power off the car and unplug a few things, starting with the blue one. Insert the cable and unplug the unit. It's only one way it's going to go in. From there, plug the connector to the screen to ensure it works. Once all the wires are fished through, reattach the center bracket and install the screws back once again. Secure plugs into the screen, including the USB plugs as well. Slide the bracket back onto the base and you're done. To control the passenger seat, you want to take your excess cable and route it under the passenger seat. Once you have done that, you're going to notice a tight fit that can only be loosened by a screw. Pro tip, lift the seat higher to make it easier for your Allen wrench to maneuver through. Once you remove the screw, you can pop off the side panel with a simple pull. Remove the plug from the base, it slides off pretty easily. Insert the cable between it and place everything back into its spots, including the screw. Coming back to the screen, you can see that you can adjust the temperature for both the driver and the passenger, including the fan speed. The screen can be locked if you have annoying people in the back, but also keep in mind that the air needs to be activated from the front to give you access to the back. Tapping the rear button, you can turn on the air. Tapping the seats, you can adjust the heat. The last section provides arrows allowing you to tap and adjust the passenger seat. I love the look of this product, and honestly, it should have came with the car originally. If I could change one thing, maybe two, it would be to disable the volume controls and also the front air controls too as well, because they shouldn't need that from the rear. If you are an Uber driver or something like that, I can see how that can be annoying. Other than that, I love this upgrade. It just ups the car's value in my opinion. Make sure you look down in the description and check out their lineup. They have a huge sale going on for Black Friday, and all those information will be down in the description below. Subscribe for upcoming vehicles. We do workout videos too as well, and more Tesla videos are on the way. So make sure you get some merch, keep supporting the channel, and thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.